See it? Fish on. Fish on. Here we go. See. Huh? See. Got him. What? See it? Fish on. Ooh. Ooh. I think I quality 500 fish. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Kumbo Fishing USA. I just got back from the temple. You see on my face there, somebody put the like a powder for Cambodian New Year. And so right now I'm back at Rocky River on this spot right now, and it's raining, and I will fishing until the water is murky. And another thing, I forgot wax worm at home, so I was in a hurry, try to get there so that I can fish a little bit before the water becomes murky. But right now I'm here, and I'm hoping I catch some steelhead, and I know there's a lot of them still in here, but they probably not active because of the temperatures getting kind of warmer each day, and hoping this one will bring a fresh one in the river. And I bet you steelhead is not over yet, okay, until I say it's over. But I understand some people didn't want the fish because they say the fish look so ugly at this time of the year, but there are some fresh ones and look really sexy and yummy. Once in a while you can catch one of those. So I'm gonna go out there and throw a lot of crappie tubes, chicken out there. And yesterday I came in up and under 30 minutes I hooked up 3 of them, lost 2. That's it. So today I will be in here and hoping that I will be catching something, and stay tuned, guys. I will see you guys on the river. A lot of smallmouth chasing minnows down there, a whole lot. Smallmouth. Keep jumping over there. Over there. See it? Oh, God. Come on, fish, leave me alone, man. I don't know what it is, man, but it's bluegill or what? That's a big one. I think they bite something on the top there. I don't know what it is. Look. See it? They hit me on the spot there, but they one bite and then they go. See it? Fish on. How many of these I caught one? Keep going like quick bite. Ooh. Huh? This one tough. Woo. That one jumped too. Brand new reel and line, old hooks. I know you're in there, okay, but you don't want to bite. You keep playing too much. That's a king salmon. Want to lose it again, I think. I should have at least 4 or 5 fish on, guys, but they keep like popping and then disappear. Ooh, you want to jump? That's a nice one. That's a baby one. Alright guys, so oh, look my dog, come on. This is expensive. Come on, my coat there. It's raining crazy. Been on and up and up, and the fish are jumping like crazy, but they're not biting, guys. So this one biting. Come on, wet my back, wet my butt. Oh, come on, stop. Oh, oh, this one. Oh, this is big. This is big. Ooh, ooh. I should have number 3, but I accidentally deleted the clip. One of the clip. Hold it, not burn that thing. Damn. This is not looking good. But if they go for the minnow, I feel 100% secure, okay? But let me clean this up really quick. See, when they fight that hard, they will not survive when I land them, okay? So it's just like the one in the net right there. They die. As soon as I say I want to let it go, see? Barely hooked, but like right in the lip, in a secure place, guys. So the tail is really beat up, guys. Just on the line minnow, guys. Crappie tube. I lost a whole bunch of crappie tube. So, oh, come on, stop fighting, baby. You baby. Okay. Okay, you go back. I don't want to take picture of you, okay? Because you look too sexy. So let's still some egg in there too. Oh, you know what? I take a picture of, release them. Woo. They always like say about the surface. You know, like, come on, eat that thing. Huh? Especially that, I don't know what that thing with the fly on top. I think there's something in there they buy, okay? See that? That's a big red tail right there. Man, right with one. Is it? I know, in the wild you got a problem, okay? You gotta be careful, fishy. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Miss me and got you. Just put line. How many pounds your line you got? Come on, double. Come on, make it double. But how many pounds your test line there? Because you like. That's okay. Don't go. Just it should not be okay. 8, 4 might be tough. Where to go? Over there? Yeah. That's you?
Yeah, that's me.
Uh-huh. See, they keep playing with me and then boom, on you. It's nice, it's clean though. The catfish keep dying. I don't know what's going on with the catfish. Just pull the line, set up again. Hold on. That's nice, this one though. There we go. This one too sexy. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's clean. Oh. That's clean. There we go. Walk back. Walk back. Walk back. Alright. This one's nice and clean.
Yeah, nice and clean.
Just got from the river, right? That one right there. See, nice and clean, guys.
Very
Minnows.
fresh, very fresh.
Yeah. There's coffee tube in here though. No.
No, it's
What? Huh? Got it? Ooh, 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 ooh. She's trying to roll.
Yeah.
No, I don't think snag they bite though. Really in the circle, that's no snagging. They not see snag. They not do that at all.
Catfish.
Huh?
Yes, it's a big channel catfish. For real? Yeah, huge channel catfish.
Gone?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. But maybe here, I don't know. I try to catch steelhead, maybe 2-3 more video, I'm done. Then go for catfish and a whole bunch of things. See a whole bunch of them are right now over here. See they're all dead there? They're all dead. See they're all dead?
That's all the stone cat?
Yeah.
Yellow right here. I think the water's got way too hot.
What?
The water got way too hot, bro.
What too high? Oh. Ooh, see?
What?
I pull in, they go after the minnows. Now I'm broke. More minnows.
That scared me so much. More left. Bro, I thought the bottom was hitting me in the face.
Huh?
So the fish, right? Swat, they came, I didn't want to get hit in the face.
They were like, maybe the one I lost?
Small.
Yeah, that's the matter. That's a fish though.
I think
So, 5 pounds.
it's pretty big now.
There you go. It's right there, guys. It's raining on and off today, and I hooked some, catch some, caught 2 of the crappie tubes, and then I accidentally delete that clip, one of those. And then I caught one.
On the bluegill rod right here.
Bluegill, doesn't matter. I'll throw that.
He's jumping, he's jumping, he's jumping.
And the fish is fighting like crazy too. But sometimes when they're exhausted, they're dead.
Streamline.
Your line is too loose. Don't let it go too far, cause this is gonna all the way to the current area, guys. See, they prefer minnows over crappie. I mean, crappie tube they bite too, but the size slow, and they keep popping over the place. And the water's kind of rising now, and hoping it's not murky tomorrow. I come back and smack the hell out of them. I'm gonna go catch some minnows so I can move back. Just move back. If we clean, keep one. Keep a 2. I think yeah, keep them if we clean. So this, oh, who's jumping over there? It's not your fish. Move back. That's clean though. See that? See? Maybe the one I just lost is a bit of longer, right?
No, you're pretty open.
You shut up. The one I just jumped out in front of you, bigger than that and shiny like that. Just to move away. So he caught one on the fly, but he's over there. Oh, the water's getting rising now. See the water, the pot over there. That's nice.
I thought it broke off.
Finally. Almost.
That's nice.
Nice and clean though, yeah.
It's just stop. Yeah, it's a wild.
Wild one? How do you know wild? It's another wild one.
Yeah, it's wild.
Keep them then.
They're all gonna die here.
Huh? I think so.
I love this thing, man. Amazing.
Huh?
Maybe wax feed bomb. Like 8 wax balls.
Here, go. See it? Yeah, you see? They try to hit it, but then they give up, okay? They're not chasing all the way. Come on, bobber down, drown the bobber there, whatever. They not really go crazy, but the crappie tube, they go like crazy.
I think you put steroid in this wax ball.
Huh? It's big.
All of them. What was how the fridge was?
Huh? Who's at next shop?
Yeah. All this. I know. I heard.
Go. Maybe you can bleed them all up, bleed the fish there. Don't. How many we caught right now? Here we go. See. Huh?
Let's get a bit too.
See. Got him. I had to wait this time. I said no, I gotta wait. Huh? Got it? Because they keep see this big one, though, right?
Yeah, 2 arms.
Huh? Still on the right, though. Damn. These are like really expensive, but really. Huh? I don't want to take a picture and put on. Forget about, picture there, okay? Damn, this one's really crazy though. I think on the middle. Yeah. No, I know what I know what they're doing with that. I know that. Okay, I can see the way they pop it. I know they're pretty good for the. They go for the minnows, and on a crappie tube I caught them too, but it's just like really. Oh, it's swallow whole. It's swallow no.
Yeah, no. This one this is swallow.
Shoot. Damn. Shoot. I thought like maybe we should take it home. Then we solo if I cannot.
That's another meal.
Oh, that's okay though. I can take it out. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine. Look like salmon though. Look at the head.
Yeah, it does.
Skinny. Keep it. You keep it right.
Yeah,
It's clean though.
yeah, it's clean.
We're gonna keep. Cause.
Don't stay still.
Oh, this is stock, right? All right, keep them. Man, this piece is so nice. Sexy. Huh?
Yeah, it's
I had the one in the car. I think woolly buck might be a good idea today too. But how come a lot of catfish dying? I don't understand. Huh? What too hot? What? I don't know what you're talking about.
The water got too hot.
Got him. Fish no, maybe on the jig, I think, Cat. Probably on the jig. We'll see first. Possibly. On the tube. It's nice and clean though. Nice and clean, Cat. It's on the tube. We'll see. That's a nice one though, right?
Drop the line,
Huh? Drop what?
Drop the line.
No, drop what? On the tube. All right, first on. Yeah, it's on the tube. That's a nice one though. Looks like they buy the two of them to get. You got both inside probably. Hold on. The second one I get. Hold on. Yes, balls in the damn thing. Damn, this is nasty though. Look, guys. Let me see. I think this one might be dead again. I think. Help! We get. Take. God. Dang. I think he's dead. This one. I don't think he's gonna be survived. Okay. I don't think it's gonna survive because the way it jumped like that. Because hmm? I don't know which line gotta go right now. I think it both the whole. I think both though.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a grip on my foot. Shit, man. No, that's bad.
See? Both hook. Oh fuck
I
that.
wonder what they're feeding these guys.
Hmm? Huh? Where my hook at? Both hook gone. One hook gone. One probably inside the mouth. Sure.
So it's not that much fish anymore. Well, you have like a lot longer leader though.
Hmm?
You have a longer leader for that. Yeah.
You sure? That's all 6, right?
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Look, that's
Huh? We'll see they buy or not, we'll see, okay? I didn't put anything there. Look, they jump me. Got it? Got it? Make sure they're not dying, okay? Make sure they're not dying. Because we got a limit right now. Look, oh, we got, oh shit. Oh, here guys. I don't know what fish you caught, about 10, 15. Just keep catching it. Until like the fish said, I'm bye-bye. Look over there. Huh? Yeah. I just want to catch 2. I think I probably 500 fish in here today. You gotta put the picture up right now, everybody got the school do together.
What does the brown shot?
There's the brown. You didn't catch brown yet?
Well, if I use this one.
Yeah? Yeah, feels nice clean small. Yeah, but it's okay. It's fish though. Yeah. Huh? That's nice. Good. So they got 6 already. See, fish on.
On the white there?
Probably on the crappie tube. Crappie tube, I think on crappie tube. Crappie tube. Stop by now. I don't want. Oh, fish floating. Fish floating. Oh. Okay, so hoping. Hmm? Bite it again. Because the tube look like coochie. Because the water rising right now. See that? Hmm? I want to release them, but I don't want to. It'll post on the fish for pick up the prawn tomorrow. Huh? Then it's not working. It's nice and clean. Oh. He swallowed the damn tube too. Hope I don't lose my mind. Is all 2 gone again?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Really? 2 hooks on one or no?
Oh, the other one's right there.
Huh?
Still good.
Oh.
Right here, the white there.
Take out. No one.
No crappie
Take
too?
out. Quick.
We'll sit. You good?
Good?
Take,
Alright.
hold.
Okay. You release a film that I can put it in.
Got it?
So.
Oh, you just sat on the fish.
Huh?
You sat on the fish.
Oh shit, that's okay.
Oh, he fresh back. He's wild too.
I know it's like really nice.
Got it?
Nice and sexy too. Going. Woo, on the coffee tube.